Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing your password in the VSCO app. Whether you want to improve your account security or simply update your login details, this tutorial will walk you through each action you need to take inside the app. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, locate and tap the two-line menu icon. Then, find and select the Privacy and Data option from the menu. After that, scroll down the Privacy and Data page until you see the Change My Password option. Tap on it to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new desired password. Make sure to choose a strong password to enhance your account's security. Finally, once you have entered both passwords, click the OK icon at the top right corner to save your new password. Following these steps will help keep your account safe and secure. Thanks for watching.